What if you could harness the power of artificial intelligence to enhance your magical practice? Today, we're diving into how you can use AI to create sigils, those potent symbols of intent, with precision and creativity. Let's explore the possibilities. Sigils have long been a cornerstone of chaos magic. They're symbols crafted from a statement of intent, designed to bypass the conscious mind and communicate directly with the unconscious. Here's the traditional process. 1. Start with a clear intent. For example, I attract creativity and inspiration. 2. Remove the vowels and repeating letters, leaving you with a string of unique consonants. From our example, you'd get TTR, CTCR, TVNSPN. 3. Combine these letters into a unique, abstract symbol, a sigil that represents your intent. But what happens when you bring AI into the mix? With AI, you can streamline and even enhance this process. Here's how. 1. Input your statement of intent into a tool like ChatGPT or another text-based AI. Ask it to simplify the phrase by removing vowels and duplicates. 2. Take that string of letters and feed it into a generative art platform like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion. Prompt the AI, create a mystical symbol using the letters T, R, C, V, N, and S. 3. The result? A unique, visually stunning sigil that you can use immediately in your magical work. By combining your creativity with AI's generative power, you get a symbol that's not only functional, but also beautifully designed. Using AI in your sigil work has some clear advantages. Efficiency. AI simplifies the process, saving time without sacrificing intent. Creativity. It generates unique designs that you might not have thought of yourself. Adaptability. You can experiment with multiple variations and styles until you find one that resonates. Accessibility. Even if you're not a skilled artist, AI helps bring your vision to life. Of course, there are some potential downsides. Impersonal results. AI-generated designs can sometimes feel detached from your personal energy. Over-reliance on tools. Magic is about connecting with your will. AI should enhance, not replace, your creative process. Symbolic depth. AI lacks the intuition to fully grasp the depth of your intent, so it's up to you to guide the process and infuse meaning into the design. So, is using AI for sigil creation right for you? It's an incredible tool for innovation and experimentation, but like any tool, it works best when combined with your own intuition and magical will. If you're curious about exploring the deeper possibilities of AI in chaos magic, beyond just sigils, check out my book, Hacking Reality: Supercharging Chaos Magic with Artificial Intelligence. It's packed with practical techniques, examples, and insights to transform your magical practice. Click the link below to grab your copy and start hacking your reality today.